clean shot thrown by Kid Dynamite. Good move. Nice shot. Oh, his face collides directly with a haymaker. Kid Dynamite's doing a great job. If he can continue to make his opponent miss like this, he's going to put himself in an excellent position to win. The Sandman's nailed him. Left uppercut finds its home. Kid Dynamite scores nicely with that one. Great anticipation allows him to get out of the way of that shot. I don't know how he can see out of his left eye after the brutal pummeling it's taken so far. That's a great move to make a miss by Kid Dynamite. Oh, a life-threatening haymaker cracks him in the head. He weathers the blow and then is able to throw a hook of his own. If he keeps getting hit with punches like that, it could mean real problems for Sandman. So much for that approach. He'll have to try something different if he wants to hit him. Kid Dynamite comes in and misses with a hard shot. The Sandman's thrown a smashing right hook. Stinging right hook. Kid Dynamite stepped out of the way of that hook. He hits him well as he looks to make an impact. Sandman with a nice move. Wow, nice move there. Wow, Sandman's in need of some air from that gripping haymaker to the body. 10 seconds left until the bell sounds. Time for a much-needed break.
I know it hurt, kid, but that round was all yours, kid. Now breathe. You gotta breathe. That punk ain't no good. He looking like a punk tonight. You winning and make...
I need you to sit down, son, and catch your breath. We did not do so good the last round. He's only winning this fight because you're letting him. I need you to wake up and put some...
Let's get going with round number 2. Big hook from Sandman. Good clean uppercut misses its mark. Good work to get out of the way of that one by Sandman. Kid Dynamite's trying to control the action by throwing combinations. Effective feint opens him up. His legs are really holding up well, not a sign of wobbling. Sandman might have sustained a serious injury to his left eye with how swollen it's looking right now. He blocks that hook with authority. If he's not careful, he'll be eating counters all day. Draws him in and connects. The Sandman's starting to show some swelling around the left eye. He avoided that uppercut well. Hammer and counterpunch crashes home for Kid Dynamite. The referee is warned that he's going to stop the fight. I'd do the same thing if we don't start seeing some defense from Sandman. Kid Dynamite's been tagged by a counter right hand. And a vicious haymaker catches him upstairs. The Sandman's ripped by a solid combination. Hard shot. Savage uppercut sidestep by Kid Dynamite. What a hook to the body by Sandman. He's doing a good job of keeping his body moving and making himself hard to hit. I like the way he's making him miss. Nice cross to the head by Kid Dynamite. He made a miss there. Wow, Sandman's brutalized by an earth-shattering haymaker to the head. Kid Dynamite connects with a hard, vicious haymaker upstairs. Sandman's legs are trembling. How much longer can he stay on his feet? His head caught the explosive force of that haymaker. They've got 10 seconds to go. And that'll do it for this round. What a fantastic round for Kid Dynamite.
Get the swelling on that right side. Great work that round, kid. You beat him like crazy. Be working that left eye. Them judges been loving it. Right hand.
You must sit down and breathe. We did not win the last round. I need you to watch your left eye, son. Keep that left glove up.
Here comes round number 3. The Sandman's taking that punch pretty well. Kid Dynamite's perfectly timed haymaker sent his opponent off balance. Great counter shot. He turns over that punch nicely. The Sandman's found a way to open him up and land it big time. Good-looking power punch. The crowd explodes as it senses the kill from that winding shot. Effective feint by Sandman. He read that hook well and was able to get out of the way. Solid blow by Sandman. Feints and lands a hard shot. I would like to see more accuracy from Kid Dynamite. He looks to come out strong with that shot. The Sandman's moving very smartly, avoiding that big shot. Sets him up and hammers him. Feints and connects big. There's some swelling visible around his left eye. This isn't a good sign for Sandman. He's reading his opponent. That punch sent shockwaves through his body. He's hurt. He may be ready to go. Good shot after that feint. What a nice move there by Sandman. Solid punching by Kid Dynamite. What a shot after that setup. Ooh, walked right into that counter shot. Nice move and good follow-up. Wow, Sandman's doing all he can to stand up. He's in real trouble, and the crowd roars, begging for a knockout. Wow, I can't believe he's still on his feet after that shot.